How to cancel Adobe subscription without fee. To cancel an Adobe subscription without paying an early termination fee, you can exploit the 14-day window or 14-day refund window by switching your plan or contacting the customer support to waive the penalty. So first of all, log in your profile page at the Adobe account portal. Then go to the plans and payment and click the plans and select the manage plan on your current subscription. Then click the change your plan option or switch plan. Then select any other plan, ideally the cheapest option available, the standalone photography package, then complete the switch. Your old manual contract is immediately replaced by a brand new contract, and wait a few minutes and go back to the manage plan, then choose cancel your plan. Because you are within the 14-day window of the new plan, the system will force the cancellation with $0 fee.